A very good morning, respected sister, and all my dear friends. I, Harshita Srivastav, present before you to present my drug presentation under the guidance of Sister Deepti, and my topic is antiseptic. First, we will see that what is antiseptic drug. So, antiseptic is an agent that destroy microorganism and can be used on living tissue. Living tissue means the tissue which contains cell. The term germicide can be used for either disinfection or antiseptic. Germicide is a substance or solution which destroy harmful microorganisms. Germicide are widely used in domestic product like soap, toothpaste, and lotion. The product which we are using in our daily life are domestic product like soap, toothpaste, and lotion. Then we will see that mechanism of action. So germicide may be act by the following mechanism. First is oxidation of bacteria protoplasm. Oxidation of bacteria protoplasm means oxidation is a process in which an electron is taken away from the molecules, and oxidation can disrupt the cell wall of bacteria. That is, the membrane stop functioning and no transport of molecule is taken place. Then second is denaturation of bacteria protoplasm. Denaturing is a process which involves the breaking of many of weak bonds of bacteria protoplasm. And third is detergent like action. Now we will see that what is the example of antiseptic. So first example is isopropyl alcohol and second is hydrogen peroxide. We will study one by one. First is isopropyl alcohol. Isopropyl alcohol used in 68% to 72% concentration as skin antiseptic. It is more toxic than ethanol. Then we will see that composition. So isopropyl alcohol, also called isopropanol and dimethyl carbonyl. Isopropanol and or dimethyl carbonyl is a clear alcohol. It is a colorless liquid, and the compound, it is a compound with a chemical formula C6H8O. It is a colorless flammable chemical compound with a strong odor. Then we will see that what is the mechanism of action of isopropyl alcohol. So isopropyl alcohol is an isomer of propyl alcohol with antibacterial properties. Although the exact mechanism of isopropyl disinfection action is not known, means till now the mechanism of action of isopropyl alcohol is not known. It might be kill cells by denaturing cell protein and DNA and preferring with cellular metabolism and dissolving cell lipoprotein. Means the exact mechanism of action is not known. Denaturing of protein of DNA means breaking of many of the weak bonds. Then we see that route of administration. It is administered through topical route, means it is applied directly to the skin, as it is skin antiseptic, so it is directly applied to the skin. Then indication and contraindication. Indication: isopropyl alcohol kills or prevent the growth of bacteria on the skin. Isopropyl is used in healthcare setting to prevent infection that may be caused by needle puncture. And second is contraindication. Means isopropyl alcohol do not use on open wound or on sunburn, windburn, dry, chapped or skin. Means it is not used on open wound, sunburn and windburn, dry or chapped skin. Then we will see that what is the side effect of isopropyl alcohol. So dizziness, low blood pressure, stomach pain, nausea, slow breathing and rapid heart rate. Role of nurse in using isopropyl alcohol is: isopropyl alcohol is used as an antiseptic for cleaning the injection site. It is highly flammable, so it should be kept away from the heat and flame. it is poison. Care should be taken to avoid ingestion and protect the eye during its use. Means alcohol is very flammable, means it is that burn easily. Inflammable means it is highly inflammable, means it burn very easily, so it should be kept away from the heat and flame. Then second example is hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide, it is a chemical compound in its pure form. It is a very pale blue light, slightly more viscous than water. It is used as an oxidizer, bleaching agent and antiseptic. More viscous than water means it is a more thicker than water. Composition: hydrogen peroxide, an inorganic peroxide consisting of two hydroxyl group joined by a covalent oxygen single bond. A substance that removes electrons from another reactant is a redox reaction. A substance capable of undergoing rapid and highly exothermic decomposition. Then we will see mechanism of action. The mechanism of action of hydrogen peroxide is not fully understood, and it is associated with its oxidation activity. The oxidation of various significant disruption in structure, function, and the loss of viability and infectivity. Means the mechanism of action is not fully understand. So, and it is associated with oxidation, means oxidation activity. Oxidation activity is again oxidation activity means it is a process in which electron is taken away from the molecule, means the membrane stop functioning and no transport of molecule is possible. Then we will see that route of administration. The administration of hydrogen peroxide is topical, means it is directly applied to the skin, as it is skin antiseptic, so it is directly applied to the skin. Then we will see that side effects: redness, blister, peeling or losing of skin, skin burning, itching, pain, rashes, swelling, and skin ulcer are the side effect of hydrogen peroxide. Then we will see that what is the role of nurse. It is used as an antiseptic for cleaning. Its nurse role to take care. It should be avoid to ingestion and protect the eye during its use. So it is all about my topic. I hope you will understand that. Thank you.